In this video, we are going to see that if we want to modify the server notification settings, or if we want to customize the privacy settings of Discord, here's how you can do it. So first of all, what we need to do is just select the server for which you want to make the settings. So for example, I want to make the settings here on Midjourney. Right click on that. Just go to the notification settings. It says all messages, all @ mentions. So if anyone mentions you or a particular person, then it will show you the notification, so you can change it to anything you want. And also you can suppress everyone and @ here. These are some of the settings. You can suppress the highlights, and you can even mute the new comments. You can disable the mobile push notifications as well. And if you want to set privacy settings separately as well, you can do that from here. Go to privacy settings, and you can allow or disallow different privacy options. Let's say that you don't want to allow any DMs in your server, so you can just uncheck that. Message request, share my activity, and activity joining, you can read through it and you can just toggle them off or on, and that's all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.